Welcome back to my channel. Stefan Wolf is here. A video about a sharpening stone. In this case, Suehiro SKG-38 combination stone, 1000-3000 grit. As you can see, it's brand new and open. Let's check it out. Some cardboard with instruction how to sharpen knives and other things written in Japanese. A rubber, flexible rubber pad, and the stone is the smallest one. So, a few things to check. First, sorry about the camera shaking. Does it absorb water? Yep, soaking. So we will proceed. You can see the bubbling. I will fill this pot to the end and we'll come back after a few minutes of soaking the stone. Soaking time under 5 minutes. The stone is fully saturated. In the moment, let's check how flat it is. First, to the 1000 side, some pencil marks. This plate is 90-20 grit large flattening plate, large wrapping plate. Let's check the stone. You can see the pencil marks. No excessive pressure, almost just the weight of the stone, and you can see we're almost there. Yep. Just a few more. Right. I will stop the video here to clean the plate. After cleaning the wrapping stone, to ensure no grit contamination between the two sides, the 3000 side is next. Again, no pressure. Almost there. good enough for me. And now it's time to try the stone, how it performs. A simple knife, 3CR13, steel around 53-55 HRC, a Chinese vegetable cleaver type of knife, branded by IKEA and probably made in China. Let's do the knife, a little bit more water. I must apologize about the lighting. I'm here in my kitchen where Steve is remodeling, but you will excuse me, I hope. No pressure. From what I'm seeing in front of me, and hopefully you on your mobile devices or home computers, that's a relatively soft stone, plenty of mud is forming with almost no force applied, almost no pressure. I'm trying to use the whole surface. Yeah, really thick mud on the 1000 side. I will pause the video because I need some cleaning tissue or towel. You can see steel particles and abrasive and bonding material from the stone. Can you see? Probably not. Good sharpness. A little bit more. A few alternating strokes. That's enough. I'm going to clean the stone and switch. And after quick cleaning, we are back. Let's check the sharpness. Again, I can immediately tell you that and the 3000 site is a soft side, a soft stone. A nice thick mud is forming relatively easy. I must say pretty easy. With such stones, it's important to keep the cutting edge at the right angle, not to gouge, not to slice a piece of your stone. This stone is not really expensive, it's about 20 euros here in Bulgaria. And now a few passes on higher angle with the weight of the blade only. Yes, must be enough, and some backstrokes, a couple of them. Let's check the mud, the slurry. Yeah. Definitely a soft muddy stone. So let's check the sharpness. Good. Not perfect push cut. Almost there. Effortlessly. A single piece of paprika. A lot of seeds.